BB Pro camera battery charger. Dual camera batteries charging. Dual charging interfaces with built-in cable. 100 watts output, all-in-one camera battery charger and power bank. Press the bottom latch to open BB Pro. Insert compatible battery. Charging starts automatically after installation. Press down the internal release tab to take out the battery. Short press any button to wake the display. Press the left button for the previous screen, and the right button for the next screen. The main status screen shows the BB Pro input or output status and total power. Battery charging status shows after the battery is inserted. Hold left button to seconds to enter storage mode. Hold left button to seconds to restart charging. Interface status is displayed when ports are in use. Camera battery information is available for BB Battery Pro only. BB Pro charging case built-in battery status. Open the Photoolex app. Tap at devices to begin pairing. Connect with BB Pro. Open battery information page. Tap upgrade to update the firmware if available. This may take a few minutes. Upgrade success prompts appear after the upgrade.